Fight Sport Analyst, welcome to my channel. Alexander Volkov versus Sergey Pavlovich. Honestly, this fight was a sad fight because, if not mistaken, they weren't supposed to fight. In the weigh-ins, I saw something very interesting. I saw Alexander Volkov was confronting Sergey Pavlovich. If not mistaken, they have been deceived, something like that, because they were teammates. They used to train together in Russia, and I believe Volkov have said something like that. He told him that it's difficult to explain, but he told something like, if you didn't sign, I would have signed. It was something like that. I believe they have been deceived. If not mistaken, Abdel Aziz, that manager, is responsible, or he has something to do with that. But bref, it was a sad fight, but also a very interesting fight. It was a very technical fight, and Alexander Volkov did great. You know, fighting a man like Sergey Pavlovich, stay in front of that man is very dangerous. It's very dangerous. Last time, I believe the last time Alexander Volkov got knocked out, it was against it was against Derek Lewis. He was winning the fight. He was circle away. But I believe in the last minute of the last round, he stayed in front of Derek Lewis, and Derek Lewis finished him by knockout. So the fight against Sergey Pavlovich, you saw Alexander Volkov. He was punching, he was low kick, punching, low kick, circle away, punching, low kick, circle away. He used his reach very well, and you can see that Sergey Pavlovich had a lot of difficulties. I will not say that Sergey Pavlovich did bad, but it's just Sergey Pavlovich had a lot of difficulties. I will not say that Sergey Pavlovich did bad, but it's just Alexander's reach was too much. He used it very well, and this is how Alexander Volkov managed to win and score a lot of points. So it is not the end for Sergey Pavlovich, but it is now the second time he loses. I believe he has 3 losses now in the UFC, but he's still a dangerous man. Guys, this video has come to an end. Don't forget to watch my other videos. I did Alex Pereira versus Jiří Prochazka 2 and Israel Adesanya versus Dricus du Plessis versus Israel Adesanya. Don't forget to watch. See you next time. Peace.